Question number 6, part 1. Given that P and Q are consecutive odd numbers, where P is greater than Q greater than 0, prove that P square minus Q square is a multiple of 8. Here we have to take two numbers which are consecutive odd numbers. So the first odd number is 2n plus 1. As 2n is even, and by adding 1, we get an odd number. Now, for consecutive odd numbers, we have to take the next one, which is 2n plus 3. So 2n plus 1 and 2n plus 3 are two consecutive odd numbers. Now, according to this condition, P is greater than Q. So take greater number as P and smaller number as Q. P is equal to 2n plus 3 and Q is equal to 2n plus 1. Because it is given that Q is less than P or P is greater than Q. Now we consider the term P square minus Q square and put the values of P and Q. 2n plus 3 whole square minus 2n plus 1 whole square. This is equal to 4n square plus 9 plus 12n minus 4n square minus 1 minus 4n. Now 4n square will be cancelled and this is equal to 8n plus 8. By taking common, 8 into n plus 1, which is a multiple of 8. So it proves part 1, P square minus Q square is a multiple of 8. Part number 2 is the curve C has equation y is equal to x cube plus 12x square plus 49x plus 2. Prove that C has no stationary points. First of all, we see the definition of stationary point. Stationary point is the point where the gradient or derivative of the curve is equal to 0. As we have to prove that the curve has no stationary points, it means the derivative must be non-zero. It should be not equal to 0. Now we find the derivative from this equation. Y is equal to x cube plus 12x square plus 49x plus 2. Taking derivative dy by dx is equal to 3x square plus 24x plus 49. This is equal to 3 into x square plus 8x plus 49. Now we complete the square here. X square plus 8x plus 4 square minus 4 square plus 49. This is equal to 3x plus 4 whole square minus 16 plus 49, which is 3 times x plus 4 square minus 48 plus 49. And this is equal to 3x plus 4 whole square plus 1. This is the gradient or derivative of the given curve. Now, the value x plus 4 whole square is always greater than or equal to 0. It is a non-negative value. When it is multiplied by 3, the result is same. And when we add 1, 3 into x plus 4 square plus 1, it will be greater than or equal to 1. So the derivative or gradient is greater than 0. This is not equal to 0. dy by dx is not equal to 0, which proves that the curve C has no stationary points. It completes the question.